Cut the plastic zip ties and open the lock on the wooden crate. Open the top lid of the wooden crate. Get the machine and its accessories out. Open the printer's cover and remove the right angle bracket that secures the printhead. Install the tray. Unscrew the back screws on the machine and install the bracket used to support the roll film. Install the roll film rod and black knob. Note that the film should be close to the printer's printhead side. Otherwise, the printed pattern may not be complete on the film. Attention, before ink filling, power on the machine and install the printer driver and RIP software to test the machine's performance. Turn on the power at the back and press the start button to start the printer. Don't worry, if two lights on the printer keeps flashing. Just turn off the power, move the printhead to the middle, then restart the power and printer to resolve this issue. Shake the ink bottles vigorously before adding to reduce sediment. Add ink to the corresponding ink bottles. Slightly move the ink cartridges forth and back to pull them out in sequence. Use the syringe provided with the machine to draw 3 to 5 milliliters of ink from each cartridge. Draw 5 to 10 milliliters of ink from the waste ink tube. Execute the printhead cleaning function by clicking the ink button 5s or clean in the RIP software. Print a test page to check the printhead nozzle status. If all lines are complete and clear, the printhead status is perfect. The oven is used in conjunction with the DTF printer. After printing your design, sprinkle a layer of adhesive powder on the back of the printing, then place it in the oven to melt the adhesive powder. Note that there's a 22110 voltage switch at the back of the oven. Change it to the required voltage before using the oven to prevent damage or insufficient heating. The oven's filter cotton can be replaced. It is recommended to replace it every 3 months. The oven defaults to 120 degrees Celsius for 150 seconds of baking time.